Don't miss this modern 2-bedroom condo in popular Salem, Massachusetts for a very reasonable price of $299.9. Welcome to 31 Symonds Street, Unit 10. This wonderful second-floor corner unit at the well-managed Balcomb complex is an outstanding opportunity in this price range.
All right, so you're pre-approved and you can afford around $300,000. There's not a lot out there, and if there is, it's not that great usually. Well, today we've got something that's really great in this price range. Welcome to 31 Symonds Street, unit number 10, and we're in popular Salem, Massachusetts. Please enjoy the tour.
The unit has a spacious living room that leads to a private patio, 2 good-sized bedrooms, a lovely tiled bathroom, and an updated eat-in kitchen with room for table and chairs. The well-maintained complex has attractive updated hallways, pristine landscaping, wonderful outdoor community space including a shared grill, outdoor couches and tables and chairs, amazing common laundry and lounge room in the basement with excellent entertaining space including a large comfy couch, a wet bar, a peninsula counter, bar stools, and a refrigerator. Enjoy one assigned parking space and visitor parking with an unusually large private lockable storage space available in the basement. It's a fantastic location on a quiet one-way street with quick access to Route 1, Routes 128 and 95, the Commuter Rail T station to Boston, the popular Northshore Mall, local beaches, and over 75 restaurants, bars, and cafes, all within 1 mile.
Thanks for taking the tour. I'm Dave Shorey with the Shorey Realty Group at Compass, and if you have any questions about the property or if you'd like to see it in person, please reach out to me at 781-962-4028, or for more information you can go to salemcondo.com.